How to recover your Steam account without email or password. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you if there is a way to recover your Steam account without your email or password. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that you can't recover your account without using your email. Simply you'll have to just provide your email in case you forgot your password. For that, open any browser. After you open browser, in the source field, search for Steam. After that, visit the official site of Steam, and from there tap on three lines at the top left. From here tap on login, and from here simply tap on the option help I can sign in. From here tap on I forgot my Steam account name or password, and from here as usual you'll have to enter your email address or phone number. Simply provide your email address here. After that, simply you'll have to check for the option I'm human. After that, you'll have to just complete the verification or tap on the option search over here. After Steam will find the account associated with your Gmail, simply tap on the option email an account verification code to that Gmail account. And from here, Steam will send account verification link to your Gmail. Simply open Gmail app. And from here simply open Steam support. From here you can resume your recovery. Simply tap on resume recovery, and from here choose your browser, and from here tap on reset my password. As usual you can reset your email address. From here you'll be able to change your password, like you have to just re-enter your new password and confirm it from there. After that, tap on the option change password. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.